yes, one all that away. Because of that. Also, no jewe, no dear untouchable mama, not yes, one all that away.
Hello, my people. How na dey? How na dey fine? Una know say that voice wanna hear na normally ya una usema no feel no mokwa. Na be that one. Una know say about a week or 2 weeks ago, in with her titi, they get their gbas. You understand? So it can't they use style they look for my problem. I just like feel hoji mahon. So no mamie ya will not feel a mokwa. If you want to come by this time, let me know. If you know say you dey come now, may you let me know. Okay? You see that time where I felt beat you. Now me beat you. I beat you hands down. You can't they call Ivie do wagad o wagea. Ivie do wamaga go you see me. I not send anybody. You, if I see where they beat you, I did there. Unless say I no see am, now I no go blog am. Lare o, no mami eja wo no sema gbon, no mo de you wa. Who were they tie gbu we okbiya? Because I be no want talk to you. I say me I fair wait. Me una o fair common for ground. Then the most video they but now this one na a bizu when I do this one. So I just say me I cut that one keep. They say most video they will tell insult your head. You understand? I don't want to talk to you that time. You don't want me I leave you. So if you they come by this time, may you come ever ready. You understand? You almost they do this thing. Say if you with somebody get issue, they put another person come. Me one man squad. Ya igbo agbewu. You see this time, igbo agbewu. When me ni kai, igbo agbewu si oluku. You see the kind problem where you define up and down, Now me tell you, say now 1 year I want to beat you, and I stand by it. I know they do make I do one some more, it go finish. My own not they finish for grant. My own not they finish for. So if you know say you just they come for this second one, may you come where? Tell me say you don't ready, you they come. So that I'll already can't give you, tell you say when again higher stop. If now 2 years, it what the age 2 years in the more way. Why me wanna tell untouchable mama you go wrong? Oh, any need them way. You say my bekus, may I tell you just my bekus now good. I swear, now good. It not be like your wife, where every man go talk say that one I don't feel go inside. You not go see one man bring come as this abroad just big rich. You not see one man bring come out my ex boyfriend where I feel friend. Come on that one. Since I did with my husband, you not go see him. I swear. I mean they talk. I know they hide my face. I mean they talk. You know go see am. I first tell you last time say if you know say they bring am come the person go come. No be the one where they talk. Matter no bring am come. I dey like prove. I worry mo boy. I dey like am. Worry your worry you a baller we. If they still they come and me, you still get us say be me. Attitude better pass you 100%. No ya masse we. Ogbe when ya we. Man where they where you train the children. Man where carry pikin come from Nigeria. Who you help? Is your look who you help? When him avienne like say I be woman wey never marry or maybe I not get husband. Person like a titi, organo. I we are titi again, but woman when two battery. When all they can kind jenya the thing say na your picking nice time for them. Why are your hog with that cover? You don't use that titi to compare yourself. A titi na egbene bolozo. Obiano so biya. Na equally auntie na me we bis. Umeme. What did they worry you? Like say I never marry, say I no get husband. Egbon ma titi. Yes, any o get ya yo. O ma vu we. O ma vu wa ma na gbon we he. Wa o ma ni a. No mu dia ko hu o ye tukele. Ku we ko o we no bie the same height waje. Oni a ha ta we this is my husband we which kind that one na husband God forbid bad thing. Uri your if you want to come by this time, ever ready. I don't want to talk to you since then. because they say they cost your head for inside there. So if you know say you get 20 heads, say you be real man. This video where I just do so can't reply me say you are ready for me. Iga agbuwe live video na. Iga agbuwe video na aya wetalo. You see that one where I fed do. That one a small one. Izenene you egbe na me. Ibe ge na pa. Emene za you egbe. Ibe gbo work ba. For one life foundation we ni. Iri e bai. I mwe kugbe. I nwiye wa eva kugbe. Wa sun we de ne we ro. Ohe ni ni e demo we. Sakmana nwere ju a o. We no nwa ju a wo na. Wa ko pakpa wa lakpa. Ute we je be gbe hu ni no mara ebu yen ya. Ya gbalele ya. Ah e godo go me hin. No wa se no rio e na. Wa rio khori hu. Ba bo fie kun lele we no fie lele we na. Ge dagbon we be no hu wa. No ma mi eja wo no se magbo. Anu wa de wa mo prove ba we ori me lo ye mo me mo bo de gbe na mo me. Wa han do ba mo oge ni wa mo cause owu we mi aya iwe no rio wo ri obi mi na do ya vembo. I don't get your turn. I do ato this one, that one. Say the truth. Urenena a gold. Wa gbolikoshi. Ute wo ye wo ha we no bia lele ya. Sakmana nwere jua o. Wa ohu abi no ohu ana. E boya fefefe no tie unwo aya kai o wa ya sefa wo no bi rabo. Uwa wo we wa ba fa. Uwa ba abi eyore. E kenu wesunju ma we kenu kenu jo. Wow, wow, we gbo ya get it. We gbo ya get it. Who you don't have for the family. Family no gbe hun. Family no Abeti bi ya we pagbe no make ne monji. No huwa we huwa. U ma yo tu huwa si oluku. O da fe widow. Huwa. No make ne monji. Wa no ebania we you cannot nothing you can say about your children. And you are calling yourself a father, or you are calling yourself say you okbiaki. Wow, Why problem you where do they like to draw people, they call people inside your saga no who. Person like man, they do saga with you. Reality yak boma, yak yeke. Atiti gbuwe 10-0 or gbuwe. Ona gbuwe hands down. Ona rule yamwe adiore S-wife. Wa ri okhweri u be no ya mowe iri agbon ma ugbe elege na amwe no pajo oni we u wa de do mo da fo me do mu ibi me imu ogweri giagia iwe cheke egi fo unu me wa salu abi baba to egbe no be ni na mo da fo me no ma do we exist and you feel say me go enter as igbe we do swe o ma ko ama na ti mo si e we are when the media fin yarame when it comes to my rights wa vai wa okuta o emuwe ekpe kusi me na ogano oga ai mi ere ni ha ekpe pulokia obolo kan junction me no go wo kan we ekpe pulole ya ni wa salo aragbo before we came me we ma wo ma gba mu dia se olowo wa ohu aragbo o si na na lenu wa awa bi egbe nu wa no mama na ba yu wa ya wu na ya wo se on atwe God forbid bad thing sakmana nwere yu wa o wa ye gbe wa ya atiti ogbo egbe ugbe me ai gbo ma be ri oni ogbu we ugbe me ni egbu we ko we na ya amwe adi odo ape adi ore ex-wife shame on you wa ha bu mi ade wa ade ka ma me wo mo gbe ni 2 years ya mo we ge mo gbu we no we na so wa ti bi edo wa de o wa ya fun iro oju wa ya fun million o ibi edo wa ge ya wa ri okhori o agele mi no wa agele mi piche no wa mi palu wa ma no din we wa o wa gbon wa bola we gbe do hwan ni ne ade blogger no mo video ge la wa wo o 20 ne wa mo picture yo ni me ke na adege o we no ga o ni then is bizu gbe na do pe ye mi yo wa ri picture me se kanjo ni me ke na ego gun me gun aga no ma se ivie ki we ni o ma ke no vie moje o file mo kwa do total you we dede o total wo to we so to two battery you come dey talk to moi wa o wa gbon useless pikin no ma mi eja wo no se ma gbon o wa sapona nware ju wa o